Oh, it's looking dope here. Ah, definitely 6 out of 5. Fun for extra delivering it 20 kilometers away. It's really brilliant here.
Guys, today we're going to be doing a matte conversion for the Nexon. As you've seen, the car was dented when we got the car. There was a small accident on the fender and on the bumper, which has now been repaired. We're going to be now converting this gloss to a matte finish by putting matte PPF on the car. So the look of this car is going to completely change once we do it to matte finish. There are not many matte finish Nexons in this color out on the road. So we're going to be doing that matte finish just to kind of get something different, and the client wanted something different, so I suggested we do this. We've done it to the other Harriers like you've seen in our other videos. We've converted gloss black Harriers to matte with matte PPF, and that's what we're going to be doing to this car and making it look completely different. So as you can see, the whole look of the car has completely changed. The matte finish is what we've got, keeping the gloss intact, because under the matte PPF is the gloss paint, which gives it that nice satin effect. So this matte PPF per se doesn't really convert to a full on matte, but it's got that nice satin finish because we've done the entire paint correction before we put on the matte PPF. So that's given it a good satinish, little shiny finish. But as you can see, overall the car looks amazing. I'm going to do a little walk around the car to kind of show you that better, but this is how the car looks, and let's go in for a closer look. And we've got the car for delivery. So we're going to ask Pankaj how he likes the car and what he thinks of the entire matte and how it looks. I honestly think the car looks amazing, and there's probably no other Nexon out there right now which looks like this on the road with this matte finish. So let's ask Pankaj how he liked the entire work and how he likes his own car now.
Oh, it's looking dope here. The thing is, with gloss actually there was a lot of dust particles accumulation on it. So I thought going matte is something different. So now with the new this color scheme, everyone was buying the same color. So just to differentiate our car with the rest of the gang. So it's really brilliant here.
Out of 5 for us?
Yeah, definitely 6 out of 5. One for extra delivering it 20 kilometers away.